Back to my final morning report chart analysis video on Tuesday 5th of March with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's have a look at gold, which has been smashed in the last 3 or 4 sessions really, and it has just completely changed the outlook, and that support at 1276 I think is key, because if you break down below that you really are tracking towards this shallow uptrend that currently comes in around 1240. So it's a really key support, that, because we have broken the long-term pivot band 1300 to 1310 on a closing basis, decisively closing below that. Now that at the best I think means a neutral outlook on a medium-term basis, but if you break below 1276 it really does turn it massively corrective towards that recovery uptrend. And you look at the momentum indicators in this move, 35 on the RSI, now that's below all these levels of the last few months since that rally began. MACD lines turning increasingly corrective, stochastics in proper bear territory as well. So it is not looking all that great as well, and intraday rallies on the last few sessions have been sold into, and it continues to be the case. So you can see here on the hourly chart where you've got little pivot at 1290 as initial resistance, old reaction low became resistance, and you've got 1302 and 1298. 1298 was this reaction high breakout, so that's the basis of resistance. So basically around that long-term pivot at 1300, and it really does look as though that there is a sentiment shift in gold at the moment, and whether the gold bulls can try and find some sort of support above that 1276 to prevent that level of that level of support being broken, which would really sort of put it in negative outlook mode. But for now, I'm still taking this as sort of more of a neutral position between 1276 and 1300. However, a break of 1276 really does turn the heat up, turn the pressure to max, and we could see a really significant shift lower. So gold is trading around the 1284 mark. That's just still above yesterday's low. So again, basis that there is a support, marginal support forming, but look at the hourly momentum rolling over on the MACD lines already. That does not look good. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.